Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to lock objects in Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. Google Slides still doesn't include a true lock feature the way some other editors do, but there are two reliable methods that let you freeze your layout so nothing moves or gets deleted. This is super helpful for templates, worksheets, clean designs, or shared presentations where you don't want people dragging things around. So first, open your browser, go to google.com, sign in, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open the presentation where you want to work. Start by selecting the shapes, text boxes, images, or layout elements you want to lock. You can hold Shift to select multiple items at once. The first method is the fastest, turning your objects into a slide background. Once your layout looks exactly the way you want, go to File, click Download, and choose PNG. This exports your entire slide as an image. Then click Background, choose the PNG you just downloaded, and apply it. Now the objects are flattened into the background and can't be moved or edited at all. The second method uses Google Drawings. Copy your objects, go to drawings.google.com, paste everything, and adjust your layout there. Then download the design as a PNG and upload it into Slides as your background. This method gives you a little more control over spacing and resolution. If you don't want a full background lock, another small trick is layering. You can send your objects to the back, then place transparent rectangles above them. This prevents accidental clicks on important items and makes your slide behave almost like objects are locked. Once you've applied any of these methods, click around your slide to test everything. Your locked elements should stay frozen, while editable parts like text or draggable shapes remain flexible. And that's it. That's how to lock objects in Google Slides using the 2026 setup. Until Google adds a real lock feature, these simple tricks keep your slides clean, organized, and protected from accidental edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next